So welcome to another video here at Back to Classics, and in this short video we would like to show you around the new workshop that we've been working on as a follow-up on the Christmas special you saw a few weeks ago. So that's we're about to show you around here, and wait until the end of this video because we have a nice announcement to make. So be sure to check on that. So this is obviously the old part of the workshop that we've rearranged, so to speak. Here you can see all the project bikes that we are working on, that many of them will be featured on this channel or have been featured on this channel. So be sure to check that out in the future as well. Here is where we clean parts that come off bikes when we start to disassemble them. And of course this is a general workbench that we have created here. To work on bikes, engines, all the tools here, and obviously in these drawers as well, some extra tools, and our hydraulic press that's been fitted here. So that's all that we're doing in this old part of the workshop. But now coming to the new one, and here we have created a workstation for all kinds of machining. The lathe, the milling machine, drilling machine, etc. It's all been set up here. And here we have a area where we can do all kinds of dirty work like grinding and welding and blasting, etc. Here we also have our stock of metals that we use to make parts, and our saw for that, of course, grinding machine. So that's in this area. This is the area that we're not yet ready to announce what we're going to do there, but that is a secret that will be kept. And here is our new service area. We have obviously this beautiful electric door to get bikes in and out very easily. And here we are working on bikes that are actually running and go in and out of the workshop for testing, etc. Servicing. So that's what's done here. So that's downstairs. Now let me show you upstairs what we've done there. So and here we are upstairs, where we have done a lot as well. As you can see, here is a big expansion of this area. This area obviously where we keep our stock of parts, but which is expanded into the new area where we have put up new shelves already. Here is where we're going to keep the larger parts, like all the bodywork parts, as well as the molds that we keep for that, frame parts as well. So that's going to be here. Still some work to do, as you can see. And here is where we keep the extra projects that we're working on, for which we have no room downstairs, but it's easy to wheel these in and out, obviously. And this is here our area where we can park some bikes that we are working on or are going to work on in the near future. So that shows you around our new workshop and area. We hope you very much like it. Now for the big announcement. On the 11th of May this year we're going to have a grand opening, for which you are kindly invited to come along as well. Big things will be presented there, some bikes that we're going to work on that have been finished by then, that we can show you, and obviously show you around the new workshop in person. So again, you are kindly invited to come our way on the 11th of May. That concludes this video here at Back to Classics. We thank you very much for watching. Toodaloo-dokie, see you next time.